Hi, universal creature. In this frame of time, we will discuss about a complaint. Yes, I have a complaint to our aspirant, mainly for UPSC aspirant, bank, and C aspirant. Either who are considered they are responsible for something beyond than materialistic world. Yes, when we discuss about humanity level or universal level, then I have a complaint to our aspirant, UPSC aspirant, bank and CA. Please accept it to improve, enhance your character, strength more and more. What a complaint. Let us consider. Yes. Have you see and feel the life of Thomas Alva Edison, or who invent vaccine of rabies or other medicine? In first case, you have observed that Thomas Alva Edison do something innovative, creative, that a lot of people feel healthy. They live his life more easy way. And second, you have observed how many people saved by the vaccine of rabies and other useful medicine who invent. Then observe the life cycle of who do something for humanity, for world people, not his more selfish. Yes, not he is more selfish about his life. He use invest his time to something to give a type of service beyond more selfish. Yes, but look another way, our UPSC aspirant, yes, we can easily say they are selfish, yes, selfish. For what? For his personal strength, character, respect, time, money. They are selfish. Think, yes, they have a lot of brilliance, time, support, money. They have to do something creative, innovative, so our humanity go another level. Yes, they have to do something new, invention, new creative ideas, but they avoid all of them and they introduce, invest in a selfish race. Yes, UPSC, CA banking, either another competitive exams like a race. Which kind of race? In which race everyone have to win. They did not want to compete victory his companion, brother and sister, but they are pressurized by environment, society, time, so they have to be selfish. Think they did never think, just they never born on this way, on this earth. They have only one time, but they avoid all and invests for his selfish activity to earn respect, money. Don't confuse. If you say I am going to serve, no, it's not okay. When you go, before you, there are a lot of your brother and sister already available for this service. Yes, have you already know on one vacant how many candidate available? Then why you go? you have to do something innovative, creative, or supportive so our humanity go to survive on another happy and easy way. But you are avoid all of this and invest himself a selfish race. Yes, a selfish race. So I have a complaint issue, disagreement to our aspirant whoever prepared or preparing for civil services exams or CA and banking exams, either who consider they are responsible for humanity survival good way are responsible for universal scale. So I hate all IPS, IS officers whoever prepared invest him. Why in this way? Think just you did not compare Thomas Albert Edison to any IS officer or IPS officer. If IS officer all career service इतना तो जो थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन ने किया वो एक अनदर लेवल पर है. सो दैट्स द रीज़न वाई आई हेट all UPSC aspirant who ever prepared or preparing are IS, IPS officer presently and are pastly anyway. And I am not only disagree, but I know that our nature never forgive us for this punishable way. We have to do something creative, innovative, so our humanity survive more easy way.